You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce this name, as well as how to say more interesting but often confusing names that many mispronounce, including from Genshin Impact video games, so make sure to stay tuned if you want to learn more about those. So how do you pronounce it? Well, there are different pronunciations for it. The most common is as Lumine, Lumine, or Lumine, one way or the other. The second most common is as Lumine, Lumine, but some others say it also as Lumine, Lumine, or Lumini. So here, quite a few different ways. Lumine is probably the most common and the one that makes the most sense, although Lumine is also quite good. Now you know. Anyhow, more videos here for you on how to pronounce more interesting names. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.